Alright guys, so hopefully it's not too windy. It was a big snow day here in NYC. They shut down like a bunch of things. It literally took me one train and an Uber to get to the gym today because they literally shut down the MTA service on me halfway there. And then I had to take, luckily for me, I was able to take a bus back home because, you know, it's just impossible to drive in this weather. And, you know, some people might be thinking like, yo, you're literally insane, like you're crazy. Why are you going out to the gym? And I'm not delusional, trust me. Like, I know that missing one day or going like I did one day is not going to change anything physically, but it could do a whole lot mentally, in my opinion, because I had already taken a rest day yesterday. It was Sunday, it's Monday. Sure, I could have gone back to back on rest days, but like I said, it's something to do with just my mental attitude and self-discipline. I mean, I must not be the only one because I saw a bunch of people at the gym today, and honestly, it's just like I don't even know how to explain it. Some might call it an unhealthy obsession, but honestly, I just call it passion. And don't get me wrong, I know I'm very far away from achieving the physique that I want to achieve. By no means necessary am I trying to say that I am the most shredded or the freaking most jacked guy in the gym. But it's never been about that. It's always been about being better than my previous self. Not sure where the rest of the video is going to take us, but right now I'm going to go home. I'm going to get my meal in, and literally my hands are freezing. So catch you guys then. Alright guys, so it's actually a few days after that snow day workout that I recorded on Monday, and it is currently Thursday afternoon and we are back in the gym. I actually have to hit back, and I'm going to start with some arms, something I usually don't do. So I'm going to go ahead and start with some arms, and then I'm going to jump into back. But as you guys saw, got the new kicks on. So I'm officially now probably 5'9", so I'm pretty sanctioned in my opinion. Anyways, yeah, it was definitely time for an upgrade because these were my old kicks right here. Needed some new shoes overall, so out with the old, in with the new. And then my boy Andres over here is about to hit 275, and then he might go for either 295 or 285.
That was way heavier. What?
That looked a little heavy. That looked a little heavy. Andres, what you think, bro? What's about to happen?
What's about to happen right here is I have 285 loaded up, and I'm gonna hit this shit. And if it's light, then I'm gonna go for 295.
Easy. Come on, Andres. Got everyone rooting for you, bro. Come on. Pass! Yes, sir. Alright. So on just at the 285 right there, my fault I didn't get the cleanest angles because we couldn't see how far he went. I don't know if he hit depth, but he most definitely hit parallel, and he's gonna go ahead and try 295 for an all-time 1 rep max. Yes sir. Come on. Alright, so man didn't get the 295, but he still walked away with the 285. I mean, come on now. You see the work he's putting in right here. You see the work. What we're gonna do is we're gonna jump into my workout right here because it's been like literally a whole 15 minutes since I finished my cardio, so I've been slacking. Alright guys, so that's gonna conclude Project Revamp episode number, I don't even know. I think we're on episode 11 or episode 12. And yeah, pretty content with what I got. I know that the first part of the video was the freaking snow day slash blizzard in NYC. We got that workout in. Oh, somebody's in the shower. Sheesh. And then, you know, we got the workout in today. My boy Andres didn't quite get the 295, but he's walking away with the 285. So know that. And honestly, I felt like this video, you guys could tell that I had a lot of low energy, and that's, you know, portraying my situation perfectly, because the last week and a half I've literally just been thinking about my cheat meal that's coming up on Sunday, which is like 3 days away, and it's getting kind of tough, honestly. Which reminds me, I talked to my boy David. Boom, check him out if you want to. We spoke and he said that we are only going to do 5 more weeks of being on a caloric deficit. Not too sure if I'm going to drop down to 1900 or 2000 calories. I'm at 2100 right now, but definitely going to be doing a little bit of carb cycling probably the last 2 to 3 weeks. But right now all I'm focused on is finishing this week off strong. It's Thursday. I got tomorrow and Saturday, and I might even just wake up early on Sunday to get some cardio in before I demolish cheat day. Hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Make sure to smash that like button, comment any feedback you may have, and of course, subscribe if you haven't, or you're new to the channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next episode.